This video outlines the procedure of installing, configuring and registering the DMS Data Exchange. Data Exchange can be installed either on single machine or multiple machines. For the single machine installation, you will need a client PC and application server. Additionally, you will need an RDBMS like SQL Server or Oracle. The system requires 3 SQL Server databases, or 3 Oracle schemas, one for the security system and the other 2 for the Data Exchange and the Data Explorer systems. For the multi-machine installation, you will need a client PC and application server with shared file storage. Likewise, you will need an RDBMS like SQL Server or Oracle, along with 3 separate databases. In Data Explorer Installation Lesson 2, we covered the process of downloading and installing SQL Server Management Studio and setting up a DX_user for SQL Server authentication login with full admin permissions. Additionally, we established the DX_security database. If you have previously installed DMS Data Explorer, you do not need to set up a new DX security database. The DMS Data Explorer and DMS Data Exchange can share the same security database to manage security roles, users, and passwords, allowing users to access both systems with the same username and password. Now, in this step, we will focus on creating a new empty database specifically for Data Exchange. To create the DX_Exchange empty database, simply launch SQL Server Management Studio and create a new empty database named DX_Exchange, which will be used to store the Data Exchange system tables. Once the databases have been created, please proceed to the official Datalynx website and navigate to the free trial section. Select the Data Exchange option to register for a free trial. You will be prompted to enter your name, email, phone number, company, and role. After submitting the form, you will receive an email with further instructions. Please check your spam folder if you do not receive it in the inbox. This email will contain a link to the introductory video, installation package, product key, and other instructional materials, as well as LinkedIn details. Should you require any additional information or wish to contact us regarding sales inquiries, please refer to the information provided in the email. Please click the link to download the Data Exchange package. After downloading, you will find the zipped package in your Downloads folder. You may extract it to your preferred location. Open the folder, you will find Installer. Click on it. Datalynx License Agreement window will appear. Read carefully. And click the checkbox followed by the Continue button. The Data Exchange Installer window will appear. Select the System Database Installation option to create tables in DX Exchange database. The following window will appear to confirm the prerequisites. Click the Yes button to continue. A configuration window will appear to enter the system database and security database details. Enable the SQL Server button. Specify DX_Exchange as system database name. And copy system database server, system database user and password from your SQL Server login window. Click the tick icon to verify the details entered by you are correct. Then go to the Data Exchange Security Database tab. Click Copy icon to fill all required fields automatically except security database name, which is DX Security. You can test the connection. Now click on Create Table button. A System Administrator logon window will pop up with your Windows username. You are required to create a username and password. This username and password are important to log in Data Exchange application. Click OK to continue. You can see the status bar while installation in progress. It will take a couple of minutes to create all the system tables. Once the system tables are created, the installer will appear. Tick on System Database option. Click the second option to install client application. Upon clicking, a warning window will prompt with the message Install Client Application. Press Yes to proceed with the installation process. You will find the pre-populated Data Exchange System and Security Database tab. Click Install if the connection is successful. Upon completion, an information window will appear confirming the successful installation of the Data Exchange client. When the client application is installed, the installer will display a tick next to the client application option. Now, click the last option to install the server application. Upon clicking on the server application, a warning window will appear asking Install Server Application. Press Yes to continue with the installation process. Enable the SQL Server button. Specify DX_Exchange as system database name. And copy system database user, system database server and password from your SQL Server login window. You can verify the connection by testing it. If the test is successful, proceed by clicking on Install. The status bar will appear. It will take a few seconds to complete the server registration. After the successful installation of the server application and confirmed by the information window, click on the Close button to dismiss the window. Once Data Exchange installation is finished, then you can exit the installer by clicking on Cancel. Now you need to register the Data Exchange application from Windows Start menu. Locate Data Exchange and open it. This will display an information that a software is unregistered. You can close it. DMS software registration window will appear. You can register with key or license file. To register with key, click on respective button. It will prompt a window to enter a key. To obtain the registration key, please return to your email and copy the product key provided. Paste the registration key and click OK. A DMS software registration window will appear. Click on the Register button to complete the registration process. The Data Exchange login window will pop up. Enter the username and password you created while installing the system database. Click Login to continue. Once you log in, you can see the Data Exchange home screen. You can go to our next videos to learn about Data Exchange functionalities. Along with client registration, you will be required to register the server. Go to All Apps from the Start menu and locate the Data Exchange app. Extend the folder. You can either run the service's license manager or go to your C drive. You will find a Datalynx folder. You can open it and find a subfolder called Data Exchange. Click on it to find a server folder. Open the server folder and run the server registration application. The Data Exchange server registration window will appear. You can register the server either with a key or a file. To register with a key, click the Register with Key button and paste the same registration key. Click OK. The software registration window will appear. Click the Register button to proceed. After clicking, a warning window labeled Start Data Exchange Service will appear. Click Yes, and the service will commence automatically. Upon completion, another warning window will prompt, asking Start Data Exchange Service Manager. Again, click Yes. Once the Data Exchange Manager status bar is complete, you'll observe the server and manager statuses as running in the Data Exchange server registration. Finally, click Cancel to close this window. To verify, open the services and look for Data Exchange Server. You can see it's running. The server must be up and running to complete data exchange jobs. Please note that your license will expire after a month. You can go to the system and select Registration from the Data Exchange toolbar to view your license status. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the DMS Data Exchange. Thank you for watching.